investment banking, one of the highest paying careers in finance. But here's the catch. Most candidates fail to crack the interviews because they lack the right skills. At edZeb, we have helped thousands of candidates break into top finance roles. And we do it with a program that actually works. In our flagship investment banking program, you won't just learn theory. You'll master the real skills investment banks demand. Build integrate financial models like a pro in just 3 months. Decode M&A transactions with confidence. Get hands-on experience with 10+ real business valuations case studies. Work on the projects on our investment banking firm. This isn't just another course. It's a career-transforming journey. By the end, you won't just know investment banking. You'll think, you'll work, and excel like an investment banker. Are you ready to step in? Join us at edZeb and let's get you hired.